Behind the hustle and bustle of daily routines, maintaining cleanliness and healthy skin is important, especially for areas that are often overlooked, such as the ears. Today, we'll look at how a professional esthetician treats an often overlooked skin problem. In this modern beauty clinic, our doctors carefully prepare all sterile equipment. Patient hygiene and safety are top priorities. Currently, our doctor is treating one of the cases that occurs quite frequently, namely large blackheads located in the patient's ear area. These blackheads are formed due to the buildup of oil and dirt trapped in the pores. Using special techniques and tools, the doctor begins to carefully remove the blackheads. This process requires precision and patience to ensure that the blackhead can be removed completely without damaging the surrounding skin. After the blackheads have been successfully removed, the doctor provides advice to the patient about follow-up care and how to prevent blackheads from forming again. This education is very important for maintaining long-term skin health. Final result image, and this is the end result. The skin in the ear area looks cleaner and healthier. With proper treatment from a professional, skin problems like this can be treated safely and effectively. Always remember, maintaining healthy skin is not just about beauty, but also about health and cleanliness. If you have similar problems, don't hesitate to consult a trusted beauty specialist.